What's good, peoples? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, chat? What's good? NFP day. NFP. So I got a phone call, man, right before the stream. Oh, I had to take it. I was just setting up and getting ready, and you know, business calls. But what's good, man? Every NFP day, I would say every NFP day, but there's always a range before NFP. It's so predictable. Alright, we good. There we go. Oh, my phone case broke. Finally. Alright. So yeah, let's wait for NFP. Let's see what happens. So what are the numbers supposed to come out as? So unemployment rate 4.5%. Is that okay? 4.5%. NFP 66k. I hear the chat. Anna, what's up, Anna? Good afternoon. And Haroon. Alright, yeah, let's get it cracking. So, oh shoot, I hope it does that. So NFP 66, when was the last one? December the 16th. Let's look and see what happened during the last one. 16 at 1:30. So we had a very bullish NFP. What was it? So last month we had good numbers, higher than expected, and we had a gold push. So gold pushed up, what was it? 115 pips. 115 pips. So this area down here is the gap. I don't know why it's not showing here. Oh, that's why. There we go. This is this gap that I'm anticipating gets filled. Right, so normally with NFP, I like to see price push, retest a previous key level, and then bounce off of it. So if gold decides to drop, I'm looking for a retest of this is an old level. This level's been broken, but I like it. It's still kind of strong. So maybe this 4-hour level, 44, 45, 44, 46, or 44, 15, 44, 16 down here. So or any of these levels as gold drops. I like it. So yeah, man, that's the idea. Now if gold decides to push, where's gold gonna go? So we have a resistance up here, 44.98, 44.99. If it pushes up, or yeah, 44, yeah, 4,500. 4,500 I'm looking at. If we break above 4,500, next levels, it's only 70 pips away. I'm thinking all-time highs. Rosie, good afternoon. Happy NFP, right? Right. I'm looking forward to it. I love a bit of NFP. I don't like the price action before NFP. That's the annoying part. How people adding me to groups on Instagram? No thanks. But we always get this pre-NFP range. This is quite a small Asian range today. Sam, how you doing, Sam? Are you ready for NFP? Ready for NFP. I'm looking forward to it. Let's see if we can catch something. But I do think gold comes down and hits one of these key levels before, like, it's gonna bounce off one of these key levels. I think that's what I'm anticipating. That's usually what happens. So either a 4 hour or a 30-minute. We're gonna get a push. Alright, let's take this Asian range off. We don't really need it for today. Let's clean it up a bit. Lovely. Yeah, I like these levels. Yeehaw. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. I'm not trading over it. I'm trying to trade around it. So if I can get a move after NFP, that would be great. That would be great. So maybe the next 15-minute candle, just let price move, figure out where it wants to go, and then try either jump in on the volume, or the candle after that, or one of the two. Yeah, one of the two. That's the plan. Oh, you all excited for this? I love NFP, you know. I like NFP and CPI. I do, because it always brings a lot of volume into the market. We get some movement. Like, sometimes it's worked out for me, sometimes it hasn't. As in, sometimes it's given me a move, sometimes it hasn't. It's not every time. It's not every time, but yeah, I do like it. I enjoy it. We got what, 11 minutes? How's my sister? She's feeling better. Oh no, she's not really sick. She's sick in the head. She is fine. She's a very, very loud person. I messaged her. I said, I'm gonna tell the stream that you're crazy, because she's either playing PlayStation and screaming, or watching TV and screaming. She's just always loud. Oh man, she's a character. Did we get that BDD today? What's a BDD? What are you expecting from news? Man, I'm expecting I can't tell you which way it's gonna go. I don't try to guess that, but I'm anticipating. I know what I want to see if it buys. I know what I want to see if it sells, basically. So what I do is I go by on what happened last time. So numbers were good numbers, and I'll go back for those who haven't seen it yet. Last time we had good numbers and gold pushed. So I'm anticipating the same. If we get some good numbers, I'm expecting some gold buys. And that's it. But typically when it's good numbers, it's supposed to be better for dollar index. So we had sort of the inverse reaction last month. But don't forget, last month was the first NFP we'd had in, what, 2 months prior to that? So we'd missed some because of the US government shutdown. Michael, what's up though, Michael? How you doing? Oi green. Fluidity. What are you guys expecting from the news? Oh. I was telling my friend, I said, we got a guy that likes to talk about dookie stuff when it comes to golds. I said, he said something about Hemis, and I was like, I know it had something to do with that. Alright, let's do a quick poll. What will gold do for NFP? Right, we got 7 minutes to vote. Or whipsaw. Cast your votes. I wish I could vote. It doesn't let me vote. I don't get to vote. What's gold gonna do, guys? Talk to me. You're all good? Lovely, lovely. Okay, voting's all over the place. Love it, love it. We're at 50-50 right now. Okay, we've got one whipsaw. Someone thinks it's gonna go up and down. Bonjour. Tout le monde. Is that all the world, everyone? My French is rusty. Okay, the cells have it at the moment. The cells are in the lead. Everyone. Yeah, see, I'm not too bad. Not too bad. Been a long time since I did some French. Would really love to see it come down. Okay, we want some sells. So with news, a lot of the time, I like to see where we are in the structure. Like, what's the market looking like? So are we near a resistance? If we're right at a resistance, I normally anticipate a rejection and then sells, and that goes for buys. If I'm at a support, I anticipate price push up. But as it stands right now, we're actually pushing up from a 4-hour support. So if we get good numbers like last month, we could see some buys. We could see some buys. And we have a clean range above as well. Clean range. As in, we have no support or resistances to the left until we get to 44.92. Look, just a long, clean, bearish candle. I like to trade the news retracement instead. Okay, so you're waiting for the pullback. Well, I'm never gonna get in straight away. Gotta wait till after. Wait till after. At least the next 15-minute candle. Let's see what gold's trying to do first. GJ's on a slow push up. Still playing this range. Not a fan of this GJ price action. And what's Nas doing? Did I not move that daily? No. Nas is just ranging as well for now. All right. Now it's just a waiting game. 2 minutes to go. What else do we have? So we have two lots of news too. Prelim UOM consumer sentiment. Lovely. Lovely. Daily looking like. Look at gold on the daily. So we made a bottom wick. I really like gold buys. I'll be honest with you. I kind of like gold buys. But this 4 hour time frame's not really giving much information. This 4 hour wick. Very small body. It's a little doji. Not nice at all. Tick tock 1 minute. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. Benny, what's happening, Benny? Just in time. Gold's falling. Ooh. Owanda can't keep up. Look at Owanda price. Trash. Owanda's like 100 pips behind. Alright, we're back up. What are the results? That's the question. Bad numbers. Bad numbers. But unemployment went down. NFP also went down. So we have mixed news. It's mixed release. Because we've got one set that's good numbers, one set that's bad numbers. If they were both good, we'd probably get like one direction. But where we've got one that's bad, one that's good, probably had that drop. But lower unemployment is good. Strong jobs market. Is Awanda caught up yet? There we go. I'm gonna wait for the next 15-minute candle. See if we can break above this resistance, and then maybe catch some buys if we continue pushing up. Who said whipsaw on gold? Right? Who said whipsaw? Right on money. Right on money. Does it show me everyone's? It doesn't show me who voted on what. Ooh, gold, we're pushing. Oh, it just disappears. Boo. Don't go too far without us. Don't go too far without us. 4500s. Yeah, that's I mean, if gold was to buy up, that's where I was aiming for. Back to this resistance up here. Man, if we can close above it, I think we might get some new highs today. Actually, nah, new highs are a bit too far away. Bit too far away. Did you get in, Ash? Yeah, real quick. Nice. There's a nice little drop down to this. Well, it didn't come all the way down to a support. I think I wanted, if it dropped, I did want it to retest a previous level before pushing back up, but I guess there was too many levels down here. We still kind of respected this area here with all these lovely wicks. What's your target for buyers? 4500s? Back to the 45? What did GJ do? GJ did the same thing as gold, I guess. Drop down, bottom wick, pushing up. Nas just went straight up. Not much of a bottom wick. This was a nice pullback into this area, you know. But I don't have an entry here. I don't have an entry. Nah, I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. I was waiting for the next 15-minute candle. Hopefully, if this one doesn't pull back too much. Hopefully. Oh, we still have 8 minutes left. I don't have any setups yet. I wouldn't mind a breakout on the 15-minute, because if gold is going to continue, I want to jump in on the bullish volume. But if it closes back in this range, then yeah, this is no good. And it's no good. Look at this. Oof. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the whipsaw. And then also I'm thinking about stop loss as well. I couldn't use this current 5 minute, previous 15 minute. I can't use all the way down here. So I'd wait for the next 15 minute, make a bottom wick, and then if it breaks this high, then use the entry candle as a stop loss, entry candle low. That would be the plan. Break this high, keep pushing. If I can get at least a little 100 pips upper to this resistance, that'll be perfect. Did it get to 44.92? No, it didn't quite get there. GJ's running. Let's see what, in fact, let's see what the dollar index done. Let's see, where are you at? So I had a bit of a whipsaw here as well. Pushed up, came right back down. Anyone in any trades? Anyone catch this or jump in? Be honest. Who FOMO'd in? I took a small scalp. Alright, Arun, I see you. I see you. Oh, Roger's streaming. Raj. Ferrari Raj. Let's see. This guy does buy stops and sell stops. It's hilarious. Oh, so he was anticipating sells only. How did this go? He's got a buy stop and a sell stop on. This guy's mad. Did he get tapped in? What happened? Did he just make 20k by accident? 44.91 and rejected. There's a little minor resistance here to the left. I was kind of hoping this 15 would close, like, well, not push all this way. Close above, make a bottom wick, get in when the candle flips bullish, and then be at break even. I feel like he made 20k by accident. Is that 20? Oh no, he lost money. What the hell's he doing? And then made it back, bruh. Let me show you. Let me just show you. Wait, how long we got to the next 15? Look at this man. Roger's a wild boy. Where is he? So look.
Slippage is very
Buy
normal.
stop and sell stop for news.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Sell stop here, buy stop here. What? Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Sell got activated. Yeah.
Nope, 14k lost. Oof.
Man, I was expecting a move. But since we broke the low, if we break the high, I think we're going to continue to push up.
I'm not laughing at his loss. It's just wild to do buy stops and sell stops. Sell stops.
Yeah, if we break the high, we're going up.
Then you put a buy stop
Right over
in.
here.
His camera's not moving in time. It's weird.
If we break the high, oh, bad numbers. Oh, okay. Gold should continue to push up then. Bad numbers. 50k. Wow, 10 points apart. Crazy. So if we break this high, we're going to continue to push up. Yeah, if we break this high over here. Yeah, look at that. You can have a TP up over here.
But he didn't.
Yeah,
I don't think he let it
wow,
hold.
broken
I don't
this
think
high
he
now.
held all the way out there.
Wow, incredible, right? Where Mandika, he will know he got a magic. Mandika. Yeah. How much did I lose here anyway on this one? Oof, 14,000.
Damn.
14,000.
14k. 14,000.
No, I don't have a buy stop now. Just a buy
And then he
because
took
look,
a smaller lot size on this one.
Look, so we broke below the low. I think this move down was just grabbing liquidity. So we broke below the low, and now probably we're going to continue to push up. You know, maybe I can get at break even off.
Okay, he's
what I
trying to get
lost
his money
or
back.
something like that, but yeah. I was expecting a big move, you know, to be honest. If I'm being honest with you, I was expecting a strong, big ass strong move. That's what I was expecting. Wasn't expecting this bullshit, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna head out right over here.
I knew he was gonna just take his money back and be done. He's so predictable.
Here, break even.
And then that's it. And then he's like, "Bye, I'm gonna head out." Oh man. Stream over. Raja is something different. Nah. I thought he won 20k by accident. He actually lost. Got entered in on the sell stop. It's crazy that he's still doing buy stops and sell stops for NFP. Like, his biggest loss, the biggest loss that he's ever taken on stream as well, was doing buy stops and sell stops. And he still does them. 50k. I'll never forget that day. Oh my god. He got entered into two positions, the buy stops and the sell stops. And it just, it was madness. And they both were losses. Alright, so new 15-minute candles just opened. Lovely. Give me a decent bottom wick. Give me a decent bottom wick. We can break this high. Push up some more. That'd be beautiful. Come up to 4,500s. Snatch some pips. All right. How far are we? 70 pips. Not bad for a stop loss. I might just make it 100. But I want to get in if gold breaks this high. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. Might be sells from here, Haroon says. Oh, Haroon. Why are we selling? Ooh, wait for me. Wait for me. Da-dum. Dum. Reagan, what's happening? How you doing? NFP, that's right. Been done now. About 15 minutes late. But let's see if we can catch some of this volume. Haroon, where are you thinking sells from? You think it's going to retrace this move? And don't forget, we got more news as well in a hour and 15 minutes. Hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna keep an eye on this though. I don't want this candle to pull back too much because I want to use the low as a stop loss essentially. See if I can snatch some pips. Henry, the problem is we have another high impact news. Yep. I know, right? So I think the last time we had NFP, I think this was a very heavy news day this Tuesday. Was it here? Okay, it wasn't this day. Oh yeah, so we had PMIs right afterwards. So gold pushed up and then it came back down. I'm not a fan of the double news days, but what can you do, eh? What can you do? What we can do is look and see what happened for the last consumer sentiment. Oh, gold's coming down. So December 5th at 3 o'clock. December 5th. So it pushed up. Well, 15-minute came down first, then pushed up. And then eventually we had a retracement. This is not looking great. So this 15-minute doesn't want to break the high. This the news candle. So it was slightly bullish. The last prelim, consumer sentiment. Let's see what this 15-minute does. But we're approaching the end of this 4-hour candle. We've got the new 4-hour candle opening in 10 minutes as well. So let's see if we close above this resistance. Now, two things can happen. The new 4-hour, make a bottom wick, continue up, continue this bullish structure. Or, so something like, you know, we've got this resistance up here. We've pulled back, we made a support and a higher low. So we could continue up. Maybe even breaking this resistance, keep going. That would be ideal. Michael, thanks for subscribing, Michael. Or we could come back, close below this resistance, create a double top, and the next 4-hour come down. Or even we could close the next 4-hour, could still create a resistance and come down. So then we've got a lower high here and here. So those are the two things that could happen. Ideally, I want this current 4-hour to close above. But if it pulls back, oh, where's my bar go? I don't want this. I don't want to have a long top wick here. This is a 107 pips. 14. Haroon, did you catch these sells? Did you catch it? Why did you say might be sells from here? What are you seeing? What are you seeing, Haroon? Yes, good shit. Good shit. I love that. Snatch all them pips. We're looking for buys now. Damn, he's in and out today. In and out today. Ooh, are we coming back into the Asian range? If we close back in the Asian range, we might get some sales back down. This weather ain't no joke. Or is it just a retest? What are we doing, gold? What are we doing? Let's make up your mind here. Come on. We nearly bottled it yesterday. I'm from London. Nah, we're good. We're good. Still at the top of the table. Well, we should have been 8 points clear, though. We should have been 8 points clear, but it is what it is, you know? If 4 hour closes back into Asian range, I would be careful for buys. If the 4 hour closes back into Asian range, I'm looking for sells. I'm actually looking for sells. Yes, Dobby. That's what I'm talking about. I knew I liked you. I'm not gonna lie though, I couldn't watch that game yesterday. I can't watch games where I feel like it's gonna be a bit close. I don't want it to piss me off. I just watch the score. I just see the score on my phone. I don't want it to upset me, you know. Sometimes Arsenal can be like that. But at least we're not Man United fans, you know. Do you know what? My sister was watching it and I could hear her shouting at the TV. So I was like, yes, something's going on. It's not sounding good. Is this an Arsenal fan club? Hey, I don't bring up football. I try not to. Do you know what I mean? Because I don't want to hear who people support. It changes my bias of you just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little. You know, it's like politics. You shouldn't talk football and politics. Keep it neutral. Keep it neutral. Alright, looks like we're staying above the Asian range. That was just a little pullback on the 30-minute. That's good. So if the new 4 hour just gives us a little bottom wick, you know, hopefully we get a wick fill. It's a decent top wick as well that we've got. Ash, you still in your buyers? You still waiting for 4,500? 88 pip top wick. Be nice if we can get a wick fill. Bit of break of the high. Keep going. This 15 minutes not doing much, is it? Alright, here we go. Last 5 minutes for the 4 hour candle. This is where we get the 100 pip move. Yeah, still in buys. I'll see how the 4 hour opens. But I'm at a decent spot for now. We'll see. Oh, you probably got in on the low. Yeah, you got in down here, innit? Couple hundred pips up. Definitely hold a bit. Definitely hold a bit. I might even hold just as long as you lot do. Hey. At least, you know, 50 pips, Haroon. That's it. A little cheeky 50 pips. Cheeky 50 pips. Can't go wrong. Yeah, I already know where you got in, Ash. I already know you was in down here. This is all you. All you. All down here. This looks like a little gold pippin entry right here. What's your entries? 44.63, 44.64, a little something like that. Yeah, I know. I already know. Talking about 4,500. That's how I know you're in. I already know. Alright, let's see how this 4 hour closes. It's looking good. It's looking good for more buyers. I mean, look at the 4 hour candle bottom wicks right here. With hindsight, it all looks easy. Oh, I'm telling you. Once it moves, you're like, oh, I could have got in here, here, here. But I do like the structure of this 4 hour time frame. You know, if we're gonna stay bullish, I do like it. Especially if we close above this 4 hour resistance, that would be amazing. But it looks like gold is coming back down. Oh, don't close back in the range in the last minute. Don't do that, gold. Don't do that to us. Don't do that to us. All right, 20 seconds. Which is your Asian range, Asian high range? My Asian is here. My Asian highs are right here. Oh, damn. What? Gold gap down, pushed up. Is that it? That was a weird open. It's just gonna open and push. 40 pips, 60 pips. The hell? I don't know, it might wick down. Yeah, I don't like what's going on right here. What am I seeing right here? This was quite some volume, 50 pips. I was expecting just at least a bit more of a bottom wick, little retest, and then flip and push up. But only take sells if gold comes back down below this resistance. But if we push up, fail to break this high, and then start driving down to create a longer bottom wick, then I think we might get some decent sells. But this is quite a 4 hour candle open right here. 70 pips already. So yesterday, right before the stream ended, before my power decided to cut out, Lovely power. I was gonna say, this keeps happening. Price keeps closing below a resistance and then flying up on the next candles. Happened a couple times. Here, closed below this resistance here, pushed up. There was another instance. Where was it? It was recently as well. Here, closed below the resistance and then pushed above. When all I was looking for is just breakouts, just a closure above the resistance to confirm the breakout. So GJ came up, respected this 211.7. Lovely whipsaw candle. We'll come back to NAS. Like, this candle pushed up so quick. I can see gold pulling back. This push up is not really, it's not very strong, is it? It's not very strong at all. And my 30-minute candle on my broker doesn't have a bottom wick. Yeah, so let me see if it looks the same. Oh, it just pulled back. Yeah, I had a bit of a jump, a little gap. This current 30-minute candle, on my C trader, it actually gapped down and then pushed right up. So there's no bottom wick. In fact, it's making a bottom wick now. Alright, so if this 30-minute manages to swing back into this range, then I'm definitely taking the sells. If it can close back below this resistance. Nice little fake out. Respecting this previous 4-hour candle high. Just don't range again, please. Oh yeah, but we have that news as well. Which was bullish for gold the last time it came out. For me, if it closed below Asian range, then it's a sell. Yes, 100%. 100%. So that's my criteria for buys. If gold pushes down, respects this resistance, stays above Asian highs, I would look for maybe a little minor support, a lower time frame support. push up. Yeah, I like it. But if it closes back below this resistance, then it looks like a fake out. And then sells down to the bottom of the range. Maybe a retest of Asian lows. But I need to see how these candles are closing. For now, I mean, this current 15 hasn't broken the high or the low. So we're just ranging at the moment. We're just ranging. It's also kind of slow for NFP. Oh man, isn't it? NFP used to be, nah, do you know what? It probably isn't, because NFP used to be like 500 pips, but this is like, it's like a 300 pip move. It's not bad. There's just no follow through. Like NFP before would have a massive move and it will continue like pushing, but it all happened pretty quick. Well, no, it didn't happen too quick. It was kind of a slow move, and then it didn't carry on, which is weird. So if we're not following through with NFP, I can see a reversal coming. I can see a bit of a pullback or a retracement. Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. It's not as much volume as typical, as there is typically. It's a chill one today. It's been a chill week, man. What do we have next week? Hopefully there's not this much news next week, because jeez, look how much red folders. Okay, so Monday's gonna be pretty chilled. Then we got CPI, then PPI. Man. Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Thursday, Friday for gold is not too bad. These orange folders I'm not really too worried about. It's the red folders. CPI. I'm looking forward to CPI. This is good. CPI. Inflation is CPI is getting lower. The gold just flipped. Damn. It's kind of pushed up pretty quick, didn't it? Like I looked back and it just flipped bullish and started pushing back up. Jeez. Yes, we did. Yes, we fucking did. Yes, we did. That's pretty annoying, actually. It's pretty annoying. I just saw it moving. 4,500. It happened very quick. It did happen very quick, because I have my broker up on the other screen and I just saw the candle go super green. Like, what the hell? But I can see how quick that flipped. Now this is coming back down. It's interesting. Why do I have this line here? I don't actually remember. Crazy. I was thinking sells, clicked it, got about a pip in drawdown and thought, nah. Hey, good way to change your bias. Good way, good way. Yeah, I need more information before I do anything. Definitely. I wanted the 4 hour to make just a bit more of a longer bottom wick. I didn't expect it to just... Because I wanted the bottom wick and then as it came back up, take the buys. But it did happen very quick. Did you decide on a futures prop firm? No. But Winfinity did give me some good pointers on a few. But really I wanna demo trade. I wanna demo trade on like using futures. That's really what I wanna do. Using TradingView. But I'm not dying to do it. I just want to test it out. I just want to see what it's like. Because they have great spreads, no slippage. But I don't really suffer from slippage that much. Sometimes when I'm doing buy stops and sell stops. But other than that, no. It'll just be to mess around. Just to see what the fuss is about, you know? Yeah, but I think I'd only trade NAS using that, doing that. Good old NAS. Alright, so we've broken that 4 hour high. Broken the 4 hour high. Right here. This is kind of a whole resistance area. This is a bit of a weird setup here because this is a market open. So we gapped up and then fell. So that's why these candles aren't aligned. But for resistance, I tend to use where the candle closes. So I guess it's, yeah, the whole zone, resistance zone here. What are we doing, gold? Talk to me, talk to me. Not feeling these wicks. Do you think this is a liquidity grab and then drop lower? I mean, I like that we've retested a higher time frame key level. I like that. So I do think this 4 hour still has the potential to come down and make a longer wick. So I can see the sells, but I don't want to get in too prematurely. So yeah, a closure back in the range would definitely confirm the sells for me. But the buys up that I wanted was dependent on this 4 hour making that longer bottom wick and then pushing up, flipping bullish and then pushing up. But it just popped. It just popped. Gold struggled to get in 4,500 this week. I know it was very short-lived up here, wasn't it? Very short-lived. It was like just poked his head in here and then just dropped out the 4,500s again. Tapped it. Struggling for real. NYC open. What? 11 minutes. But I mean, I like the structure of the 4 hour. I still like it. I still like it. I think if we didn't have this news coming up, he took sells when it tapped 44.96. Nice. If we didn't have this news, I think gold would continue pushing. I think it would have continued pushing. But now we're just getting that bit of consolidation before the news comes out. Because for the news, we should get a bit more volume. So gold is loading up for something. It's loading up for something. Previous candle on the 4 hours of doji. So the current candle has to work hard. I don't see that happening. See the difference between Owanda and IC markets, the 4 hour time frame. Either way, there's still a resistance up here, so I want to see what happens at that resistance. Let's see. We're either gonna blast through or we're gonna hold. This is another situation where gold has just jumped up again. Yes, it is. Look at that 1 minute candle. Jeez. Winfinity. What's happening, Winfinity? Appreciate the messages, the information. I'm supposed to message back, but I try to be considerate of the time when I'm messaging people. I don't know if your phone's on silent or not. I don't want to, you know, pop the phone off at 6 a.m. in the morning. Cause I'll be annoyed. But no, that was definitely some very helpful advice. Rosie just asked me as well, have I decided on a prop firm? So it's nah, your message on no. I've got friends in the States, so my phone goes on do not disturb at like 10 o'clock. And group chats abroad, I don't, nah. In fact, my phone lives on silent. It lives on silent. So nah, you're all good. You're all good. See, I'm between my funded futures or take profit trader. One of the two. One of the two. So what I'm going to do this weekend is see if I can set up a demo account on TradingView. See if it allows me to trade. Same here. These Americans keep us awake with their WhatsApp messages. No offense, my American peeps. I know. I'm used to it, man. I'm used to it. I'm so used to it. I'm used to it. Go for MFF. Okay, okay. Alright. It's the cheaper one as well, so I shouldn't really complain. What do you mean? Listen, Ash. Don't take no offense. You know what it is. When you send stuff on Instagram, do you check what time it is? Do you check what time it is? Tell the truth. You know I'll be waking up to messages now. Nah, of course you don't. I know you don't. You or your sister. Their Discord may have discount codes. Ooh, okay, that's a good shout. Jump in the Discord. Am I in their Discord? Yeah, no. Yeah, I'll find it. Love a good discount, even better. Dobby, if you're in here and you're trading, if you're in here, to answer your question, when it comes to news, unless you've got a really good entry and you think the news is going to go in your favor, then it's okay to stay in the trade. Otherwise, I like to trade on either side of the news. I tried it, yeah, either side of the news. But I like to be in and out, so being in, yeah, I prefer either side. Sometimes when I message the WhatsApp to you directly, I look to see if you might be up, but I'll send an IG meme anytime, day or night. Your cat videos have been keeping me awake. Listen, they couldn't even if they tried. The 4 hours flipping. Oh, so you must be using this. Wait, what's your 4 hour looking like? Wait, why am I in crypto? It's the AI Trump videos this week. Oh man, are they killing Trump with the AI videos? Do you know what's been making me laugh this week? X has been making me laugh. People editing people's videos using Grok. Oh my god. We have a presenter over here called Maya Jama, who presents Love Island. Ash, you know what I'm talking about. And she said, she did an X post and she said, Grok, I do not give you permission to edit my videos, alter them, blah, blah, blah. So Grok said, okay, fine. Then underneath people said, Grok, put some makeup on this clown. Then people started posting all clown faces, all her pictures edited where she looks like a clown. I'm like, bro, X is not a real place. X is not a real place. X is not a real place. X is too crazy, full of nut jobs. Listen, like if you use X properly, it's not bad. Like I like to use it for fundamental news. Like I found out about Trump invading Venezuela on X, and then because Trump tweets it, Like, that's where you find out what the president's doing. He just tweets it from his phone, like, straight away. Or any, like, headlines. X is great for that. But the BS in between, oh my goodness. Yeah, X is nuts. It's nuts. And there's some good traders on X as well, definitely. Some good traders. I like to see what's going on with the prop firms. Damn. Okay, so US 30's dropping. What a pullback. Oh, not US 30, sorry, NAS 100, my bad. But I guess US 30 is probably dropping too. Yes, it is. What a drop. All right, gold, you're going to give us a trade today? Give me a move, come on. Ugh. I have to sit up. Right, so I'm thinking by the time we get this 3 o'clock news, I would like for gold to either close above the 4500s so I can get some more buys, or we create a resistance, got a bearish candle. Now I want to be out of this range, really. I want to be out of this range. Oh, market open. AI is too much now. AI is the most unserious thing ever. Even Chat GPT, it's like people use it for everything. You can't use it for everything. You start using that too much, you're gonna stop thinking for yourself. And that's no good. It's gonna take away everyone's ability to be creative. Alright, bottom wick or retracement. What are we doing here? Now still tanking with no top wick. No snow in London. Not today. It was snowing. Not yesterday. The day before. Just the day before. It was just super windy today. This is super windy. But yeah, no snow. Thank God. Yeah, because it was definitely... Was it Tuesday? Yeah, it was Tuesday, I believe. Midlands is snowed in. It's always snowy up north. Ugh. What about you, Haroon? Is it snowing up there? Man. It's horrible. I opened the front door today to go put the rubbish out, and it was so windy it nearly took the door out of my hands. I had to like catch it from just swinging open. Crazy. We got away with it with some light snow. Oh yeah, you're lucky. We get it bad. Yep. Yeah, our snow just lasted for a day. Well, it settled on my drive. It settled, and then by the next day it was gone. All right, gold, are we rejecting 4,500 again? Rejecting this 4-hour resistance area. Now on my broker, again, I have no top wick on this current 230 candle. So it had a little gap down. It's interesting. So it might come back for that top wick. But I do like the idea of a fake out. If you can come back below this resistance. Still so much time left though. So much time left. Asher, you still in? It got so close to 4,500. Is that your TP? If gold doesn't break this previous 30-minute low, I still think we continue back up. But if we break this low, I think we're gonna have some sells. Alright, we're gonna flip. Not really my TP. I was thinking we might push higher if based on the fibs. But if gold keeps coming down like this, I don't know. So my broker just made the top wick for this candle. That's gonna push. We're gonna keep pushing. Break the high. What about those H4 bottom wicks? Quite bullish for gold. You mean down here? Yeah, I guess so. Shows that, you know, price drove down and then pushed back up. So yeah, they do look quite bullish. They do look quite bullish for gold. New all-time high. Oh no, we got a way to go for that. We got a bit of a way to go for that. Another 500 pips. But if this news comes out bullish for gold, then I can see it happening. I can see us getting an all-time high. Because this daily candle, this current daily candle is not very big at the moment. It's not very big. Look, 230 pip bottom wick. 230 pip top wick. Look, this is nothing. Would help if you could see it. Look, light. Look at the structure on the daily as well. I was actually thinking that new all-time highs. Price might try to push for last week's high. Yeah, if the news comes out in gold's favor, I think we get a good push. Look, daily's broken at high. We just need to break this this resistance. If we can get above this resistance, I think we're good. Just need to get above it. So go on, gold, push. Look, 30-minute candles are still looking very bullish. My cat is jumping on my sister. Don't shout at my cat. Stay away from him. Oof. Okay. So we opened, dropped, pushing back up. I can't keep up with Naz. Let's put this on this time frame here. Need to see the price. Yeah, that's better. All right, news in 20 minutes. All right, let's do another poll. What do we think is going to happen for... What's the news again? Consumer sentiment. What will gold do for... Wait, one sec. That typing sounded aggressive. It sounded a little bit aggressive. Just a little bit aggressive. Get your votes in. Damn, who said sells? Someone said sells immediately. Who's saying sells? Let's do... What do we think gold? What do we think gold's going to do for consumer sentiment? Okay. Sells are in the lead right now. Sells are in the lead. So we're thinking gold is going to retrace this NFP move. All right, let's do a quick... Let's go back again. Let's go back. Let's go back again. So December the 5th. The forecast was 52. and it came out better than better than expected, 53.3. Alright. Okay, and today they're forecasting 53.5, so a little bit higher than December. And let's see how gold reacted. So 50, boom. So last month, consumer sentiment, gold, it kind of looked like it whipsaw a bit because we pushed down and then pushed up before tanking. before tanking massively. So the news was really bullish for gold. So good numbers was bullish for gold just during that news candle. 3 o'clock right here. How much was that? 140 pips. It's not actually that crazy. It's not that much of a push. 140 pip push. So the 15 is looking like, so 15-minute candles broken the high and the low right here. I mean, if gold is gonna pull back, it's pulling back from a great spot, right from this 4-hour level. Ooh. So we closed bearish. Sells are in the lead. Okay, 75% of you think gold is gonna sell for this news. Okay, 36% saying buys, 55 saying sells. Looks like one person might be saying whipsaw again. I wonder if the whipsaw will have it. News in 15 minutes. Yes, if it's bullish, gold drops. Especially if gold gains acceptance back in the Asian range. They're willing to keep going higher, shows kind of weakness on the bull side. Still watching. Oh, yes, yes. If gold comes back below 44.77, 44.78, I'm definitely thinking sells. I'm definitely thinking sells. But now it's just a waiting game. Four-hour making a bottom wick. Has to close in a range. For me, it has to close in a range. That's my confirmation. That's my confirmation. Because what could happen is gold could pull back, just tap the daily flip where the daily candle opens right here, and then push back above this resistance. Like we can sell into the area but not close into this area. Just wick down and then pull back up, like push back up. But if I get a candle that closes back below this resistance, then we're back in this area. We've closed back in this area. So for me, that's more of a confirmation that price is going to continue down, rather than just tapping into it and then pulling back up again. It's jumping about, man, isn't it? Isn't it? Like 50 pips. 50 pips. This 5-minute candle. Look at this. Yeah, it's a lot of movement going on right here. No problem, no problem, no problem. No problem. Right now we're just watching the candles and waiting. Waiting and anticipating. Just telling a story. But I mean, look, even though we're bearish, these candles are still trending bullish, because this 30-minute candle, it broken the high and it's respected this low. We haven't broken this 30-minute low yet. I say yet, it might not at all. All right, 4 hours about to flip bearish. This is good. This is good. In fact, what's this 4 hour looking like? If gold closes below 44.82, if it closes below 44.82, I think we get some massive sells. Top wick sells. Look, we tap right into where I had this 4 hour resistance. Yeah. Oh, are we breaking that low yet? Still can flip bullish. It could, it could. Alright, here we go. Longer 4 hour bottom wick coming. Same, it's looking weak if it closes too low. Facts. It is exactly Ash. Look, now we've broken a 30-minute low. Oh, go on, give us a closure back in below this resistance. That would be beautiful. Right, the only problem might be gold moving too quick because of news. Might be the only issue. I'm not gonna use no buy stops and sell stops. Oh, gold, why are we back up here already? What's going on? What's going on? Jeez. Did it just swing 70 pips in like, bro? Yo. Oh man. This is killing me. This is killing me. Rejected that M5 wiki support down here, right? just found this girl trader in the UK. Can you tell me about your trading journey? Oof. How much time have we got? It's been what? Coming up to 8 years now. 8 years. Went full time about 2 years ago. Started streaming about 2 years ago. Has it been 2 years? No, it hasn't been a full 2 years yet. A year and a bit. A year and a bit, year and a half. Yeah, working full time, got into gold. Was working full time, worked in the gold industry, so I was always interested in gold anyway. Got into Forex from a good friend called Sherlock and Miss Gold Pippin. And then yeah, just been at it ever since. Phoenix trade, what's happening? But welcome guys, welcome. Appreciate you for joining. Don't worry, one day we'll catch some trades. We'll catch some pips. It's been a tough week, man. It's been very, very rocky price action. Very, very rocky price action this week. Every session as well. Well, no, I would not say Asian, but London's been really bad. Look at London this morning. It's been horrible. London here, horrible. Like this has not been a great week for the markets. When did I take some trades? Caught some buys up here during the Sunday night push. Nothing here. Terrible price action to start the year, man. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. But it's all good. It's January, do you know what I mean? It is literally the first full trading week of the year. We have a lot of news. Let the market set up a little bit. And then yeah, catch the moves in between. We'll catch the moves, they'll come. They'll come. At the moment, just snatching the little pips, snatching pips here and there. Next week, back to normal. I mean, as close to normal as we can get. We've got no news on Monday. That's great. CPI Tuesday, PPI Wednesday, and then Thursday. Thursday's only unemployment claims. That's not too bad. Thursday, Friday, I'm looking forward to. M5 engulfed off that wiki support. Oh, look at that. Massive engulfing. So we're not going to get the sells for this news. Ooh, lovely continuation pattern if you close like this. My issue right now is always just stop losses. 198 pip stop loss if I use the previous candle low. It's just mental. It's too big. Ash, what kind of stop losses are you using? But you use the lower time frames. You're not going up to 200 pips, are you? There's no way. I don't mind like 100, maybe 120 highest, but they're just getting bigger and bigger these days. 200 pips is huge. This is what I'm saying. 200 pips, very big. if the stop loss is too big, I just lower my position, but no, not 200 pips. Yeah, same. Even for over 100 pips, I'm like reducing my size. I don't like seeing big losses. Like it's very hard for me to see. Like physically, I don't like looking at it. I don't like looking at it. So yeah, I try to make sure that my losses are not big. I'm just cutting positions very quickly. Very quickly. We're really gonna stay in this range. We're gonna close inside this range. I was hoping we'd be either above this resistance by now, like closed above this resistance, or back below this, back in the Asian range. Yeah, I wanted to do that before news. Can losses be taken as expenses on tax? I don't think so. But you should only get taxed on your profits. What strategy do you use? Breakouts and trend continuations. So I'm looking for a closure above this resistance, or a closure back below here. So fake outs as well, I guess. Breakouts, fake outs, and trend continuations. So news, here we go. Where are we going, gold? So we closed weak bullish, broke the high and lows. What were the results? Keep an eye on this price. Good numbers. Oh, prop firm losses and prop firm purchases. Is it? Oh, that's not bad. So we had good numbers. We had good numbers. All right, where are we going, gold? And we're still stuck at this resistance up here. Do you have mentorship classes? I do. Just join the Discord, drop me a message. It depends though. I'll be honest with you, it depends on your needs. It depends on your needs. There's some people I have said no to. We've gone back and forth about whether this news was even significant. It's clearly not, because sometimes this news actually is orange folder. Sometimes it's orange folder. Look, damn, look, pick the first one I picked, orange folder, like this. So I don't know when it got upgraded to red. I need Benny to come and say buyers incoming or sells incoming. That's when gold moves, right? Benny ain't dropped no signals in a minute. I think he's waiting on yours, Ash. I think he's waiting on your signals. You're in the mentorship right now. That part, I'm telling you, you can get a lot of gold just from being in the lives. One for the weekend. Yeah, even Haroon's dropped some signals. Haroon says, I think we're going to get some sells. Or I think we're going to get some buys. Whoa. Who is beeping outside my house like this? Gold is really chilling. Gold's struggling too much near this top. I don't know what gold's doing today. Wish I did. Benny, you and me both. You and me both. I mean, especially looking at the 30-minute candles, they were looking good when they were trending up, and then market opened and then we pulled back. Oh, are we gonna pop? If we break this high, I think we might pop. Is it too late? Oh, I know, right? Oh, I can't get to my broker quick enough. I like it. I'm thinking some buys here, guys. I'm thinking some buys. But I really want it to push above this resistance. Not just yet. If it can get to 4,500, then I'm thinking buys. Damn, look at that. I want it to break this resistance, this resistance area. So if we like break these highs to the left, I like it. But doesn't look like that's what gold wants to do right now. Jeez, gold is killing me today. Who changed their vote last minute? Was the news good for the dollar? Let's have a look. Let's see. It looks so. Hey, that was a good shout. Hey, smart Michael FX here. What's happening, Michael FX? It was good for the dollar. Okay, so gold, we're going down. But are we? Then gold will drop in my opinion. I mean, I would love for it to do something. We're just trapped inside this range. Was trying to trade NFP. My setup was supposed to be either this 15-minute candle after NFP. This is really the candle I wanted to trade. So got the closure above. I wanted this 15 to create a bottom wick and then break this high and then keep pushing, because NFP was bullish for gold since we had this push up, broke out the range. So this 15-minute didn't do anything, it just stayed there. Then I was looking for the new 4-hour candle to create a bottom wick, maybe get a retest and then push up, fill this wick. But it literally sort of opened and then pushed up. Finally came down and created a longer wick, but it was down here. Gold's just been messing about today. You got 200k on NFP. Nice. Very nice. Benny, behave. Benny, behave. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, well done, well done, well done. All right, golds. I actually like it. If we can, if gold breaks 4,500, I'm looking at buys. We've broken the highs. It's not looking bad. I ain't gonna do the Austin Powers voice. I'm already English. I'm not gonna do the Austin Powers voice. Let's see. I'm gonna give it 15 minutes. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No. Oh, maybe not. I might even need I did it over here. I bet you did. Yeah, let's jump on Google Meets. You can do it. Alright guys, looks like I'm gonna be getting into a trade very soon. Come on, break the highs and pop. If it gets to 4,500, that's around, yeah. Oh, go on, give us a push with my pinky finger. Exactly. Oh, getting close. Ooh. Oh shit. Alright, I'm in a trade right here. No, it's literally about 4,500. Just about got tapped in. It's about 45. Shit. What's the exact entry I got? 45.2. 0.24 actually, to be precise. About 100 pip stop. Ugh, killing me. Gold's killing me. Let's do that. Boom. It just literally tapped me in. Alright, come on, Goldie. Push. Let's go now. I think it's going to be a slow drive up, though. So I want it to break these highs and keep pushing. If this candle comes back to entry, if it comes back to entry, I'm going to close 50%. Which is about 50 pips. Jesus. Oh, I missed it. Gold is rejecting 4,500. Oh my goodness. I'll keep an eye on that over there. Do you enter on the break of the high or before? When I enter the break of the high, mostly faked out by a top wick, then hit stops at a loss. It depends. But no, I like the break of the high. Or if the candle has a very long bottom wick, then I'll take the flip. So if this candle comes down, makes a really long bottom wick, and then flips bullish again, I'll get in when the candle's flipping bullish again. And yeah, that's how I play it. But I mean, the 4-hour candles breaking highs, it's respecting lows. Like the fact that it's come down again, made a longer 4-hour bottom wick, but it hasn't really driven down and then come back up. I like the push. I like the idea of it continuing up. But it's taking its time. It's taking its time. Let's see. Look, 15-minute candle closes nice, strong, bullish. I think the next one gives us a bottom wick and then keeps going. That's the idea anyway. But it's gold is struggling at this little resistance area here. But I mean, look, daily structure looks amazing. Daily looks amazing. Resistance, support, higher, low, keep pushing. 4-hour looks great. Oh. Alright, new 15-minute candle. That's right, Benny, talk to it nicely. Ask it nicely. Let's go, Goldie. So my TP, sorry, I just sort of put a random TP in here, didn't I? TP would be up here. Next resistance to the left. Where is that? Yeah, about up here. Calling it a week. All right, Winfinity, peace out. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. Message me. Yeah, definitely will do. I'm gonna look into it this weekend. I'm gonna try to set up a demo account on TradingView first and see if it see if I can mess about with that market. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Ooh. Alright, come 15, make your bottom wick, then push. Oh, I know, man. It's really not trying to get above 4,500, is it? It's really not. Ooh. Let me see what this 5 minutes about to do right here. Let's see. If we push below this little 5-minute support. Alright, where am I going to close some? Yeah, it's really holding at 4,500s. But the thing, if it breaks, I think it's gonna pop. That's my thing. And it's just jerking up and down. So I haven't closed anything yet. I haven't closed anything yet. I haven't closed nothing yet. But 5-minute structure, still quite bullish. But, alright, where is it? I'm going to close. Where's my music on? There we go. Alright. What price is that? Down here. Alright, yeah. It was about 43, 93. Yeah. Alright, that's where I'm going to close 50%. So I didn't close it at that 50. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait a little bit. Because I missed that opportunity. Go on, gold. Push. Let's go. Fly. Now's your time. Come on. It's lunchtime. Let me get some pips. You son of a... Come on, gold. It really doesn't like this area up here. Maybe I should end the stream. That's when gold likes to move. It really, really doesn't want to push through. $4,500 is major structure. It is. It is. It is. It's a daily resistance. It's a 4-hour resistance. But that means when it breaks, gold should move. Look, the way the daily is set up as well. The way the daily, and this daily candle is not very big, so we're gonna get a longer, we're gonna get more of a candle. Look, this is 700 pips. Yesterday is 700 pips. Today's daily candle is only 470. I don't think gold is coming down to make a longer body. There we go. Come on, Goldie, get to moving. We need at least a 700 pip daily candle. So gold can do that for me. Alright, where am I going to go break even? If it gets to 50 pips, I'll lock some in. Oh, we're moving now. We're moving now. We're nearly there, nearly there. 40 pips now. Ooh, go on, Goldie. Go on, Goldie. I ask nicely. I always ask nicely, you know? If I'm by myself, it's all kind of bad words, but on stream, I ask nicely. Ooh, nearly at 50 pips. Ooh, nearly 50 pips. All right, I'm closing 80%. 80% closed. Stop loss to break even. Shows about here. Closed 80% right here, guys. Stop loss to break even right here. I got out of my buys and then I said it might blast without you, so I got right back in. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's fucking go. There we go. Come on, gold. Keep going. Let's go. 70 pips up right now. Let's flip and go. Come on, golds. Now, normally I would have ended the stream and then this shit would have happened. But I said today, I'm going to wait you out, gold. I'm waiting you out. I'm waiting you out. Right, we're going to get 100 pips. 100 pip runner. Ooh, nearly there. Ooh, nearly. 100 pips. Hit 100 pips. You want gold to go to all-time highs. I'm trying to get out in a second. Come on, gold. Keep going, keep going. Oh, we're at 100 pips. Good shit. Good shit. Yeah, I'm gonna close this runner at 100 pips. I'm actually tired of looking at these candles. Boom. There we go. Oh, it jerked and it came back. Oh, don't do me like that, gold. Come on. Alright, when gold gets to it's about here. Going for a munch with this profit. Oh, good job, guys. W to everyone who caught this. Have faith. Have some faith. Have some faith. Just need some faith, yo. Just some faith. But that was a nice move, man. Nice move. Nice move. Nice move. Nice move. Alright. Nice. Congrats. Took the buy also. Lovely. Lovely. Beautiful. 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 Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. Thanks for being patient. That took a lot of patience today. I can't lie. That took a lot of patience. That took a lot of patience. Oh, now God wants to pull back. Got to run for work. Nice Friday trade. Alright, Ash. We'll talk. We'll talk. We will talk. Anyone still in? Did you close already? Nah, I still got a runner going. I still got a runner going. I missed. I wanted to get out a 100 pip runner, and I missed hitting the button. So what I've done is I've moved my TP down to 100 pips, which I should have done already. So it's just about to hit again. Just about. Boom. There we go. Yeah, I'm out now. I'm out now. But I still think gold is gonna go, to be honest. I still think gold is gonna push up to at least 45.16. But yeah, I'm done. Yes, Haroon. Haroon, how long did you hold? Tell the truth. Oh, you mean you're out? Alright, peace out. But yeah, guys, I'm done. I'm out. Well done, guys. Well done. And I will see you guys on Monday. I'm going to go get something to eat. Dobby, I'm going to message you in a second. I'm going to message you in a bit. I did see your message. I'm going to shout you in a bit. But, yeah, thanks for joining. Probably retest and go up. And go more up. Yeah, man. Probably, but I'm going to flipping have my charts closed, man. I need a break. Made 50 pips and was out. Nice. You held it out, yeah, good. But yeah, guys, peace out. Thanks for joining. Appreciate you all. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Come on, United. Get out of here, man.